Next contestant, 34-year-old Reggie Ramirez, na higit pa sa 2 million pesos ang dahilan ng pagsali sa Pilipinas Got Talent.
Meron akong hinahanap na brother ko na since birth hindi kami nagkita talaga. So sana ito yung dahilan para magkita kami.
Hello, Te.
Hello po.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Paano nangyari to?
Gusto ko po talaga kasi magdoble kara kasi ng aking kakayahan.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Oh my goodness, friendship. We were looking for that, remember, in Cebu. So ngayon tingnan natin kung siya, dahil di ba remember?
Meron doon. Kaya lang hindi niya nagawa ng
Hindi niya
maayos.
nagawang maganda. So tingnan natin ngayon si Reggie. Okay, good luck, Reggie.
Thank you po.
Go for it.
Oh, and
Ang mga doble cara are always fun to watch.
My love, there's only you in my life. The only thing that's right.
My first love, and your every breath that I take, your every step I make.
And I want to share all my love with you.
No one else will do. In your eyes, they tell me how much you care, and yes, you'll always be
My endless
love. Two hearts, oh baby.
Good job.
Two hearts.
Pag yan, hindi nakapasok, iwan ko na lang.
Our life has just begun, baby, 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 and forever,
forever.
and I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms and love.
Oh, love,
I'll
be a fool.
And you don't know I'm tomorrow.
Oh, you're not in mine.
Cause you, yeah. And you mean the world to me. Oh, I know I found in you
My endless
love. No.
bum,
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 bum, bum, bum, bum, bum. Oh, love,
I'll
be a fool.
You don't know I tomorrow.
Oh, you're not in mine. And yes,
And you be the only one. 'Cause no, I can't deny this love I had inside of you. And I'll give it all to you.
my love,
My love,
my endless
love.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Panalo! Reggie, ilang years mo na itong ginagawa?
Medyo matagal-tagal na rin po since nag-band ako ba.
Mga ilang taon na.
Mga 8.
Galing.
Thank you.
Alam mo kung saan ako bumilib sa'yo? Kasi syempre kinakanta ko yung kanta niya. Na perfect mo yung pump,
Thank you.
Binibilang ko eh. Binibilang ko yung babae, lalaki. Perfect mo, Dai.
Thank you so
Bongga.
much po.
As a man, you have a much stronger voice.
Thank you.
And a beautiful voice as a man. May we know kung meron ka pang daddy?
Wala pa po. Hindi ko po siya nakikita since birth.
So yung mother mo nasaan?
Andyan po siya.
So where?
Bakit nagkawalay kayo ng nanay mo? Kailan 32 years old ka na, nakita mo siya.
Opo.
Bakit nga?
Eh, hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko na tinanong sa kanya kung bakit. Hindi na umalaga as long as nakita kami.
At ngayon, nandito siya to support you.
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay.
the talent is very extraordinary.
Thank you po.
I like her legs.
Thank you.
Ganda ng legs, oh.
Nakakatawa naman yun. I like your
Anong
legs.
boto natin, boss?
Ba, sige.
You deserve a definite yes.
Thank you po.
Dahil sabi mo, ikaw ay half, ako ay full, yes.
Thank you po.
The singing is almost perfect.
Thank you po.
I like the male tone rather than the falsetto, no? But it's really a great act. It's a yes.
Thank you po.
Congratulations. See you sa next round.
Thank you.
We know na kaya ka rin sumali. This is mga personal reason why gusto mo mahanap ang kapatid mo. How do you feel na now you're a bit closer na magkasama
Napakasaya.
sa'yo?
Sobrang masaya. Kasi since birth, magkahiwalay na po kami.
Since birth. Since birth. So siguro at this point, I'm sure napanood ka niya. At the same time, kahit since birth hindi pa nagsama, I'm sure very, very proud siya sa'yo.
Sana.
Sana ang Pilipinas Got Talent na nga ang maging tulay para mabuo muli ang pamilya mo, Reggie.